अस्सलाम वालेकुम। होप यू गाइस आर डूइंग ग्रेट। आप सब ठीक होंगे अच्छे से। चलिए आज हम और एक सेट डिस्कस करते हैं रिलेटेड कंप्यूटर अवेयरनेस प्रैक्टिस सेट 2। फर्स्ट सुपर कंप्यूटर डेवलपर इन इंडिया इट इज़ PAM. Which of the following is an example of computer software? That is device drive. Programmers use a variety of dash communicate instructions to the computer, that is programming language वो use करते हैं। उसके बाद देखेंगे हम which of the following displays the contents of active cell, that is formula bar. A software used to convert source program instruction to objective instruction is known as it is language processor. IC chips used which is made of, and basically they are made of silicon. Example of mainframe computer is, that is all of these. Part of CPU. ये हमारी सीरीज चल रही है, हम प्रैक्टिस सेट 2 डिस्कस कर रहे हैं आपके साथ। चलिए विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए पार्ट ऑफ CPU? सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट का पार्ट आपको बताना है। सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट दैट इज ALU, अर्थमेटिकल लॉजिक यूनिट। चलिए कुछ और इम्पोर्टेंट MCQs देखते हैं हम। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज रॉन्ग? Actually, Linux is owned and sold by Microsoft. Pointing device includes the following except keyboard. The term operating system means a set of programs which controls computer working. The physical arrangement of elements on a computer is referred as a dash to as a document. उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Physical format कहते हैं। Input, output and processing device grouped together represents a computer system. चलिए what type of computer could be found in a digital watch? Embedded computer, उसमें हम found करते हैं। which of the following is not true about the computer system? The third one, all of the following are examples of real security and privacy risk except spam. उसके बाद देखिए main memory is a random access memory. Part first, the smallest and fastest imitating brain working is, that is quantum computer. A compact disk is which type of data storage? Part 2. चलिए C language was developed by, किसने इसको डेवलप किया था C language को? Which of the following is not one of the 4 major data processing functions of computer? It's analyzing the data or information. When you connect to the server, our computer is communicating with the server at ISP. What does refer this? It refers internet. A collection of related files is called a field. Hard disk drives and CD drives or example of, किसकी examples है? Collection of related files is called a record. Hard disk drives, CD drives or example of all of these. You would use dash software to create spreadsheet, type document and edit photos. वो कौन सा? वो हम application use करते हैं। चलिए which of the following or computer that support hundreds or thousands of users simultaneously, that is वो mainframe use करते हैं। चलिए कुछ और देखते हैं हम important MCQs related computer awareness practice set 2 हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। चलिए which device is a microprocessor based computing device? That is personal computer. An email account includes a storage area often called a mailbox. A setup computer program that helps a computer monitoring itself and functions more efficiently is a 1000 bytes is a चलिए a setup programs that helps a computer monitor itself and functions more efficiently is a the system software. 1000 bytes is a kilobyte. चलिए which of the following is not a broadband communication media? आपको बताना है not. It is a microwave. The earliest calculating device was ABEX. Which of the following is not an advantage of magnetic disk storage? आपको not an advantage of magnetic storage devices. All of the above. The memory size in mainframe computers and advanced technology microcomputers expressed as It's a megabytes. Computer virus is a computer program. Each model of computer has a unique machine language. A website is a collection of web pages. To move the cursor to the end of the document, press Ctrl plus, and the shortcut key to print the document is Ctrl plus P. Virus, trojans, horses और worms और चलिए कुछ और देखते हैं. Which of the following is used to browser internet banking is done over internet. ये था हमारा पार्ट 2 जो हमने आज डिस्कस किया.